Hello, I'm Dr. Crystal. People are often bad at retaining information. Did you know that journal writing helps to make your mind feel sharper, your days more focused, and reduces your stress because it allows you to put the messiness of your life into neatly lined pages? I know I have recently had to make lists of important tasks or information that I've learned because otherwise I would forget it almost immediately. Research shows that when you write down things that you've learned, you retain them far better. Even if you never reread what you've written, the simple act of writing something down increases brain development and memory. When looking at the brain, memory recorded by listening does not discriminate important from non important information. However, writing allows your memory to target and ingrain important stuff you want to remember. The act of writing also allows your subconscious mind to work out problems in unique ways, so you'll be able to work out problems and get insights while you ponder and write about the things you're learning. If you're ready to give journaling a try, pre-order your copy today of one of my newly created journals. I promise you won't regret it. As always, remember, fear is contagious, but so is joy.